Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hiroshige Kamine from Japan. Today, I would like to introduce Panasonic SIP terminal, mainly focusing on our new product, UT670. Thank you for your time today. So this is our solution for the desk phone will become smart. Yes, next please. Okay, first of all, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Hiroshige Kamine from Japan. I am a chief engineer for SIP terminal development in Panasonic. I drive all the steps for development for our all SIP products. So it is my second time to join this event, Astricon. Maybe my first time was at 29, taking place at Grand Door, Arizona, maybe. So it is a great pleasure to join again. Okay, next slide, please. Today, I have 30 minutes for presentation. This is today's agenda. Since I don't have enough time to explain the detail of each item, so I concentrate on some of most important points on each topics. After presentation, I'll be happy to have a question or comment. So not only myself, but also my colleagues sitting here will join to answer too. Okay. So I'd like to introduce my company profile quickly. I think and hope Panasonic is a big manufacturer dealing with a variety of products. With annual revenue of approximately $100 billion. And we, PSN, Panasonic System Network Company, is 7% of Panasonic Group, which is focusing on communication and system product category, as shown here. So our mission is connecting people with our IP and communication and endpoint terminals, helping our customer to develop and grow their business in most effective way. Also, we are aiming to be a #1 green electronics company by 2018, which is our Panasonic 100th anniversary. And we are now taking eco ideas for all product development and all manufacturing the processes. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, let's go on to lineup, please. This is currently our product portfolio. Panasonic SIP terminal enhance communication by an excellent HD quality voice on every phone, combined with easy access to strong supportive feature and application. Now, let me quickly outline our model one by one. Codeless. TGP 500 is a DECT solution which including base unit and DECT codeless handset. With this product, you can expand your SIP system by connecting up to 5 codeless handsets. And this product supports 8 different SIP registering. So that means only this product, you can manage up to 8 different number and up to 6 codeless handsets. Next product is UDS and UDT. It is also DEX solution with a multiple cell station and handover functionality. And coded solution, UT100 series is a standard SLT-MLT model. Only 133 and 136 model has 24 BLF keys. And next is UT248 series. This is a little high-end model, MLT type with XML-based screen. In this, you can configure a wallpaper or a function of this screen with XML programming. This product will be available in middle of next year. Okay, last one is full touch screen type UT670, which is I explained the detail today. Now, overall, Panasonic SIP terminal is certified by DigiM Asterisk, and all phone has HD voice and eco design with lower standby power consumption, only 1 watt at eco mode. And as you know, Panasonic brand represents good quality by strong quality control organization and processes. Okay, next slide, please. This is our flagship model, smart desk phone, KXUT670. As I introduced, Panasonic is communication business product manufacturer for more over 25 years. We produced and made billions of phones in both consumer market and business market. However, only few has better user interface and functionality like mobile phone or smartphone that you are now using. That was our target. That was our trigger. This is our solution. Smart desk phone to improve communication by rich user interface, including Java application. Okay, please. This is outline of specification of this model. We can utilize this model in some vertical market. And this model is based standard SIP stack, working with Asterisk, of course, and support PBX, Panasonic, and major other systems. This model has big screen and Java application supported, full duplex, high quality voice, and high quality video codec for monitoring camera, and gigabit is also. UT670 is characterized by an ability of importing Java application. We believe this solution will dramatically change the way people think about telecommunication product as a standard desk phone. As you see, there are so many use cases and scenarios that we can assume in utilize this model. That is our business opportunity, I believe. So now, I would like to show you some slide related to some proposed idea. Our proposed idea at this moment are for 3 categories: enterprise and hotel and hospital. Now, this is an example of installation into enterprise workplace. As you see, UT670 is deployed at reception and executive room. Okay. Case 1, functionality of camera monitoring. With embedded camera viewer, a customer can view some location. So this model supports up to 16 camera sites. So you can check each site by switching in this model. There are many useful features also. Next, please. And next use case is network phone book. Of course, this model has its own local phone book. Plus, with Java application, we can collaborate phone book with corporate central directories. So we can contact through network with this phone book. Now let's take a look at hotel use cases. In this case, UT670 is deployed reception and executive room and guest room. Okay. And now, customers can view some leisure site with this phone from room. So supposing you are in hotel, and where would you like to go? For example, the pool, and the user need to check the current condition, something like that. So please click the pool site and click. So user can check the current condition of pool from the phone. So next slide, you can imagine, so you want to go for dinner, so you can check the good restaurant in hotel. So let's go sushi bar. Check. And of course, I think it is ideal to make a reservation even with seat from the phone and one finger, like this. Last use case is about hospital. We can utilize this model in hospital workplace following the nurse or doctor workflow. Like this, in nurse station or private room, we can utilize this model. If this model is located in private room, it will be used for some communication tool from patient to family or patient to nurse. Okay, next we would like to discuss application programming. This figure shows software structure. It looks some complicated, but what I want to say at this moment is we could provide this portion, this API to the partners, which enables them to develop their own application to meet their own demand. This is a breakdown for API. As of now, these listed API in mainly 6 categories: call control, audio control, contact, call log, camera control, and setting. You can develop their own application with this. Now we are considering to enhance this kind of API as per partner's request from now on. Okay, how to develop? What is the develop environment? It is very simple. You can use Eclipse for develop environment, which is a standard for development Java application. I think you are very familiar with this kind of development. So you can get API from us and put API to this environment. So you can start the development. And if you have some existing application, so I think you can easily import that application to this model with this API. So we are thinking to provide this kind of PC emulator. Using this, you can check on how actual application works in our phone. Well, of course, you can do the debug through this tool. So let me touch on how to install application into the device. As for manual installation, there are two options. One is using SD card, and the other is web port using web GUI. I think it is a rather practical way for mass installation. Even though this is now preparing, but very useful, I think. Using the same way as downloading configuration file, you can get an application. The device can get application from the servers. So what you have to do is you create the application and you put application into the provisioning server and put location of URL into configuration file. And then once configuration file is downloaded into the device, and device automatically try to contact to get application. And very simple. This is our support web. So Panasonic.net. Part of content is under progress, but you will be able to get full technical information from that site. Please visit Panasonic.net and click the link of Office Communication. API kit will be provided through this site. Okay, this is the content included in API kit that I consider to provide to you. API release plan that I mentioned that. API guide, how to set up, install guide, and library itself. So lastly, another important mechanism is provisioning and maintenance. We have a variety type of phone management solution as of now. For example, redirection service. Using this service, we offer partners access to our redirection servers to allow SIP terminal to be configured automatically. All end user has to do is just to plug in the phone and wait until it's configured, and then it will be started automatically. And then I think it is fundamental mechanism. Our SIP terminal support DHCP option 626. This is for use This is used for secure pre-provisioning in local network before a product is delivered into the end user site. And our terminal supports two types of configuration file. One is plain text type and XML type. Okay, finally, let me comment on maintenance functionality. Our terminal supports TR69 for remote maintenance, which is a kind of standard in ADSL industries. Through this TR69, you can download a firmware version remotely or maintain the setting remotely. And we are now launching the firmware service, firmware management service through the servers. Using this service, you can control, you can check on the firmware version on each device from the server. Okay, in closing, let me review a few points from what I presented today. Our concept is smart. We provide a solution to improve communication with this smart desk phone, with Java application, with very useful interface. I believe this solution help you or assist you expand your business opportunity. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.